I recently expressed shock at the story on BBC, which exposed Britain's audacity in loaning treasures it had stolen from Ghana to a museum there. Those artifacts had been stolen by Britain in 1874. In April 2023, it was reported that King Charles III of England supports a study into the British royal family's links to slavery. This new study is supposed to be complete by 2026. In the meantime, in his recent memoir Spare, Prince Harry wrote that the monarchy rests upon wealth generated by exploited workers and thuggery, annexation, and enslaved people. While some will consider this a well-intentioned move, does it really go far enough? Or should the research into Britain's thuggery, annexation and exploitation cover not only slavery but also colonialism, since it all happened in one fell swoop without any significant break? Remember, in 1874, when they were still stealing artifacts from Ghana and others, slavery was supposed to have been already abolished by Britain. This upcoming report on the royals' enrichment will clearly not cover both atrocious periods. Therefore, I am, however, hoping that those who are negotiating for reparations on behalf of Africa and the Caribbean don't take a similarly half-hearted approach. Take the glorious industrial revolution that propelled Britain economically and still allows it to be held in high esteem and keeps it as somewhat of an economic powerhouse today. The story below, published by the British Guardian newspaper on the July 5, 2023, exposes the myth about the British technological prowess. The headline of this story was, "Industrial Revolution Iron Method was taken from Jamaica by Britain." The byline was, "Wrought iron process that drove UK success was appropriated from black metallurgists," records suggest. It said in part, an innovation that propelled Britain to become the world's leading iron exporter during the Industrial Revolution was appropriated from an 18th century Jamaican foundry, historical records suggest. The court process, which allowed wrought iron to be mass-produced from scrap iron for the first time, has long been attributed to the British financier-turned-iron master Henry Court. It helped launch Britain as an economic superpower and transformed the face of the country with iron palaces, including Crystal Palace, Kew Gardens, Temperate House and the arches at St. Pancras train station. Now, an analysis of correspondence, shipping records and contemporary newspaper reports reveals the innovation was first developed by 76 black Jamaican metallurgists at an ironworks near Morant Bay, Jamaica. Many of these metal workers were enslaved people trafficked from West and Central Africa, which had thriving iron-working industries at the time. Prince Harry of the British royal tribe is the only one who got it right. But will his brother, who is the only one who can determine that the descendants of the exploited receive any form of justice, make it right?